I am all about rainbow colors, and luckily so is Kellofaplan. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I'm very excited to share with you these two brand new books from Kellofaplan. We have Rainbow Florals and Rainbow Basics Volume 3. Both of these release on May the 10th. We're going to flip through them, and then let's work on decorating and setting up a creative planner for the week. All right, let's go. You all know that I love rainbows, so this is like the perfect combination for me. I'm very excited about these awesome stickers. This is Rainbow Basics, so you're going to get all your rainbow colors in all of the basics that we need to use all the time. So you have your boxes here, including dashboard boxes, a couple of different habit trackers, bills due, checklists, bullet points, all the things. It looks like oh, nope, this one's a little bit different. Has some of the same pieces that we saw over here, but then you also get Monday through Sunday, this week, focus, tasks to do, and today. And over here, this is an hourly setup. So it has 6 all the way until 6 o'clock at night. So it sets up your hourly. If that's something you're using in your planner, then you have all of the months of the year. All of the months of the year, the dates 1 through 31 in a couple of different sizes. And then I like these faux washies as well. So a ton, it looks like 3 pages for each color. It all coordinates. It's all the same red. Super cute. And then we go into the orange. Love. It's going to be the same format pretty much all the way through. And again, this is just one of those sticker books that you're going to end up grabbing for over and over again. That's a really pretty yellow. Heather loves yellow, so she does a really good job with her yellows for sure, because this one isn't so bright that you can't see it. You know what I mean? And then a pretty green. I feel like this is one of those sticker books that would just sit on the side of your desk because you would be grabbing for it all of the time. Kind of like the polka dot washi. Kind of a more tealy color. Love. Very cute. That is a bright blue. Gorgeous. And all the numbers. This is kind of like a Date It and Basics all in one. Ooh, a darker blue. That's very pretty. Nice. And then purple, my favorite. I think there's a couple different purples in here. Let's see. Nope, we go straight into pink. That is a beautiful bright pink. I love it. So nice. And then black. Something we all use all the time. Black boxes, a definite must. Gorgeous. Like I said, this is going to be one of those staples that you're just grabbing for over and over. I think it is super awesome, and it's going to coordinate perfectly with Rainbow Florals. Rainbow Florals, we all know Kellofaplan does a great job with florals, and now they're in these bright colors. So we start out with these beautiful clear ones. Love the sizing on those. I like how they're, okay, this is cool. So she does a couple of sheets of the smaller ones, and then you get into a little bit larger. So if you use a mini planner, or if you're using my inserts and use a tall planner, this is a little bit like easier to work with in some of those smaller planners. Beautiful. Love the bright colors. Oh, even more. This is, yeah. Oh, a lot of those. I love the painterly look on those. Abstract and fun. Oh, look at the corner pieces. It's like getting bigger as you go. This is so pretty. I love the corner stickers. They just make it so easy. Very cool. A ton of those. And even more. I love it. You get a ton of this set. That is really nice. And then you get into like this rainbow specifics. So if you're wanting to do a rainbow theme, it looks like it's like all the same florals throughout, but if you're wanting to do like red on a column, orange on a column, This makes it a little bit easier to set that up. All on clear still. A few different ones. Let me see. It's always tricky for me to tell. Okay, so 2 of that one. Then we get to a different sheet, a little bit different. 2 of that one. Now we get into some functional. Love the hexies. Very cute. More functional boxes. Oh, that's really cute for a monthly. A rainbow monthly spread would be adorable. Like the sidebar too. Little peeps of the colors coming in. Some dashboard. Love. Just so bright and happy. I mean, how can you not be happy when you open up and see a rainbow in your planner? It's just so fun. Cute, cute, cute. All the functional boxes that you can need, all the functional stickers. And then of course you can mix and match with these as well because it's going to coordinate perfectly. Love it. And love it. Okay, I am so excited about these sticker books. I cannot wait to use them in my creative journal. So stay tuned. Let's do a plan with me. This month for my creative journal planner, I'm using the horizontal layout. This is one of the planner inserts that I have available on my website, ScrappyWife.com. And it's been a while since I have decorated a horizontal layout. So I'm excited to kind of play around with this. We're going to go with a little bit of a rainbow theme. You can see I'm flipping through the Rainbow Basics book, and we're going in rainbow order to go ahead and add the dates to the week as we work our way down the spread. And we're going to just have fun with the colors. I don't totally know how I'm going to want to format this particular planner. I love the horizontal for journaling planners because it just really lends itself to your natural journaling style, paragraph form like that. But I do like to have boxes to kind of pick and choose some different highlights and different things that I may want to focus or journal about during the week. So we'll kind of see how it develops, and it's going to take me a few weeks, I think, to figure out what I really like in this particular planner, and I think that's a totally okay thing to do. Play around with your planner setups. Just because you don't like a new layout the first week you use it does not mean that that layout is not going to work for you. This is a really beautiful extra long sticker. I think it is actually meant to go vertically on the page. I wanted it to go horizontally, so I have that kind of awkward cutoff. The way I'm going to work around that is by going ahead and adding a blue box in this area. I was going to do strictly rainbow, like only reds on Monday, only oranges on Tuesday, so on and so on. But I ended up mixing it up a little. I just love the bright colors. It feels very festive. I know it's after Cinco de Mayo for this particular video, but I still think it's fun and bright, and it's just after Cinco de Mayo in my creative journal planner, so I think that'll be absolutely perfect. I'm going to layer a few of these florals. I always love cutting the stickers in half and then placing them down because you get twice the sticker for half the price. You know what I mean? So I think it works out really well. I'm working my way through the page by flipping between both of the sticker books and kind of picking and choosing the colors. This is one that I'm going to end up changing. That thicker box just wasn't working for me, and you'll see here in a minute. I changed my mind and picked something a little different that I think works out a lot better. I'm going to continue the theme of the bright florals in the corners. I'm trying to decide, I want to bring in this box, but I think it looks better over here. So let's put some florals down here in the corner. I'm pulling it up from the other sticker book. Tweezers really help. If you have trouble with clear stickers, which a few of you have commented that you have trouble getting them up off the books, both in the Kellofaplan books and the Live Love Posh books, tweezers will be your best friend, and just makes it so easy to get the edge of that clear sticker up. And once you get the edge up, then it comes up really nicely. So we're going to put that box in the corner. Something looks funky about that, and I just don't love what that Thursday Friday combo looks like, but we'll come back to it in a minute as I continue to work around the spread. I definitely need some florals in the bottom corner. I think this one is just going to be too big. I was looking for a corner piece, but I really just needed a smaller one. So we'll angle this one over here in the corner, make our own corner piece by just trimming off the edge of this clear sticker. You can always save the edges of stickers and use them later on. In this case, I have plenty of these rainbow colored stickers, so I'm just going to use that on the side. All right, we got to continue with our boxes. Now we have yellow, orange, and red to put onto the page. For yellow, I thought a really tall yellow box would be a lot of fun to play with. So let's go ahead and use the longer one right here. Yes, it's overlapping days. I'll show you at the end of the video. I'm going to add some topics, some like journaling topics onto these boxes that will help kind of direct my journaling throughout the week. And my thought was that I could write specific things in those boxes based on how I'm layering the written other pieces around the boxes, but on the regular lines, I can just do the thoughts of what happened on that particular day. Okay, I really liked bringing the hexagon in, and that is making me rethink what's happening over on the other side of the page, because since the hexagon is there, it's kind of odd that there's not a hexagon on the other side for balance purposes. So let's get this one situated right here. And then I'm just going to pull up this box that is on Friday. It's just thicker than the other boxes, just doesn't quite fit in. So we're going to pull that one ever so gently so it doesn't tear the page. I did it. It didn't tear. And let's instead go with a hexie over in that area. And I think that's going to look pretty darn good. Yeah, that balances out much, much better. Very cute. Okay, now I'm just going to pull some stickers from Proud Sticker Designs and label some of the different sections. We have planning. I'm going to do a this week was, and just kind of fill in some different topics that I can focus on within those particular boxes. As a reminder, these rainbow sticker books release from Kellofaplan on Friday, May the 10th. That is going to be at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You definitely don't want to miss out. These are going to be really popular. Rainbow sticker books, always really popular for a really good reason. So make sure to check that out. I do have an affiliate link. It helps me out so much when you are able to shop those links. So just a heads up, that is below. You can actually click it now. You could bookmark it and use it for shopping Kellofaplan in the future. All right, that is going to wrap it up for this journaling page. Let me know what you think down below. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And as always, keep it creative.